How to replace toe plate and access panel on my dishwasher.
What's the brand and model of your dishwasher? How old is it?
Maytag Legacy Series Quiet Series 300.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
Just toda. Why the technician forget to replace it?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, just how to replace the access panel. The toe panel seems easy enough.
Hello, my name is. You open the door and read off the model number along the side of the dishwasher.
Checking. Did you get the picture?
No.
Okay, I'll type it in MDBH 965 AUK 418701995 NL. E71195 type 777 to 0.
The diagram doesn't show me. Is there screws that hold that panel on, or are there round plastic pieces?
Screws. There are two pieces, the toe plate and the access panel.
Okay, so you should have two separate panels. The skinny one goes behind the panel with the long upper part. What you have to do is stack them together with the slits in both ends of both panels lined up so you can put a screw in place. With the door closed, kind of tilt the panel towards you so you can fit the top part of the front panel in. Then slide it in place and line up the screw slots attached to the frame of the dishwasher. Make sure you have plenty of light and have your screwdriver and screws handy. Tighten one side about halfway so you have room to move the other side to fit. Then tighten both screws and open and close the dishwasher to ensure it's in properly. Also be aware that this rating is for the quality of my response, not a rating for the overall experience you have had on this site. Rating me will not in any way affect the amount you agreed to pay for the question. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions. Before leaving a negative rating, please discuss it with me first so I can have a chance to remedy the issue. Thank you.
I gave you a 4+.
It shows it wasn't rated yet. There is 5 stars grayed out at the top.
I'll try again.
Thank you.
55357 semicolon and number 56397 semicolon and number 55356 semicolon and number 57340 semicolon and number 55357 semicolon and number 56397 semicolon and number 55356 semicolon and number 57340.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.